Christmas time, and we all are filled with the spirit of Christmas. Someone's busy decorating, someone's making sweets, someone's visiting friends, family. In all this, it's time where our kids are on holiday mode because of the season. And to make this holiday a lot more interesting, I have shared a simple DIY way of making this. What is this? This is a Christmas globe, and it looks so mesmerizing, just so magical. Now let me tell you, the globe that I am going to show you is going to be made of merely simple items that are available at your house and within your reach. So you don't have to get tense that where you would go searching for your items and what you would fill in. I will just put in simple items and make the Christmas globe look mesmerizing. So let's watch how it's done. I have taken a glass bottle. I'm sure many of y'all must be having spare ones like this. Scissors. This is the decoration that I had extra in my Christmas items, and this is the paper Christmas tree which I have already shown. I'll attach the link, and white nail polish. So here I have the cap of the powder. I will place that in the inside. I have taken ribbons as well and a few beads or pearls, as you can see. You'll need also glitter powder. So first thing we'll do is work with the cap. What I'll do is, to make that ready, I will paint this white nail polish over this thing that I have, the Christmas kind of tinsel. So why am I doing this is to give it a snow kind of feel. I'll leave it aside, set it to dry. Now this Christmas tree, how I've made it, that link I'll show. This is the extra Santa decoration that I had, and these pearls, these all will go on the top of the tinsel. Taking this cap, I will attach it on the cover on the inner side of the bottle like this with the help of glue gun, or y'all can use glue, whichever y'all are comfortable. Thereafter, what I'll do is I will cover the side of the cap with ribbon. Again, I have used glue gun. You can use glue or glue gun, whichever y'all are comfortable with. Once this is done, this tinsel what I have painted with the nail polish, I will place it on top of the cap with the help of glue again. So put a generous amount of glue on top of the cap in this way, and just hold the tinsel over the cap till it is a little dry. Now once that is dried, you will place your items. So if you want to just check how it will look or how do you want to position it, you can do a test before placing them actually. To the Christmas tree also I will add glue and place it on top in this way. Then the tiny Santa also I will use glue and attach it on the side in this way. There. Even these beads or pearls, I will just put a small amount of glue. Now let me tell you, as and when time passes, this pearl will actually come out. So if it does, it's not an issue. As long as you're using a few of them. Else if you're using heavier ones, it might have the chances of cracking the glass. There, I'm done placing the pearls also. And now what I'll do is, inside the bottle I will add glitter powder. Now this totally depends on how much you want. If you want too much, you can add too much. If you want little, you can add little. Now this is another hack. You'll have to put little powder. This powder I'm putting is to give the snowy feeling. If it's excess, you can turn it around with closed hand and the excess of powder will come out in this way. Turn over the cap, the lid on the bottle, and close it. And now you have this beautiful globe, DIY bottle Christmas globe that you have made, which is easy. Many of y'all must be familiar with this kind of plastic cover. So I will be making a tiny globe out of this. Now here also I have attached a snowman, and I have shown earlier how it's done. I'll attach the link. These are few tinsels, so I will just cut them into tiny pieces to place them around my snowman in this way. Then if it's for small kids, you all can add few tiny beads and glitter just to make it a little noisy so that they will enjoy it. And there, I'm done. Now to secure this tight, what I will do is I'll put glue gun around the corners which means it will not open easily. I've done the same with the other one as well. This is just to ensure that the kids are safe and they do not open and put any item in their mouth. Now here is the final look. The Between Christmas tree is not something new. I've shown it before, so that link is attached. And here is our DIY Christmas globe, which I'm sure your kids or even an adult would love. Who wondered that a globe could have been that easy? Exactly. There are different ways of making the globe. Using this kind of globe, you all can even make candle holders. And in case if you all do not have the time to make this globe, I'm going to attach links in my description which will lead you all to beautiful Christmas globes that you all could have ever imagined. Definitely hoping that you all have loved today's hack. Do spend time with your kids making this beautiful globe. Bring that magical Christmas spirit in them, and do let me know in the comment section what was your experience. For those who are new visitors to my channel, as always, it's a request from my heart that please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get updates on all my upcoming videos. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.